Welcome to Shisha Study. Today we discuss about important appointments in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch complete video. First question: who has been elected as first woman president of Indian Olympic Association? Answer is option B, PT Usha. Known as Paoli Express. PT Usha, first woman president of Indian Olympic Association or IOA. Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association founded year 1927. Headquarters New Delhi and current president PT Usha and current Secretary General Rajiv Mehta. Founded year 1927, headquarter New Delhi, President PT Usha, Secretary General Rajiv Mehta. Next question. Who has been named India's new ambassador to Saudi Arabia? Answer is option D, Suhail Ajaj Khan. Saudi Arabia's capital, Riyadh, and currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi Riyal. Riyadh Riyal. Saudi Arabia King Salman of Saudi Arabia. Next question. Who has been named India's new ambassador to Saudi Arabia? Answer is option D, Suhail Ajaj Khan. Saudi Arabia capital is Riyadh. Saudi Arabia currency is Saudi Riyal. Capital is Riyadh and currency is Saudi Riyal. Next question. Who has been named as ICC Player of the Month Award for November 2022? Answer is option C, both A and B. It means Jose Butler and Sidra Amin. ICC, it means International Cricket Council, founded year 1909, June 15. The current chairman, Craig Barclay, current CEO, Jeff Allardyce, and headquarters located on Dubai, UAE or United Arab Emirates. Who has been named as Secretary of Department of School Education? Answer is option B, Sanjay Kumar, Secretary of Department of School Education. Who has been elected as new president of AAI? Answer is option C, Prashant Kumar. AAI means Advertising Agencies Association of India. Formed year 1945. Very, very important. 1945. Next question. Who has been appointed as a member of UPSC? Answer is option B, Preeti Sudan. UPSC full form, Union Public Service Commission. Chairperson Manoj Soni. Headquarters located on New Delhi. Founded year 1926 October 1st. Next question. Who has been appointed as new Army Chief of Pakistan? Answer is option C, Asim Munir. Pakistan country, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, current President Arif Alvi, Chief Justice Umar Ata Bandial, capital Islamabad, largest city is Karachi, and official languages is Urdu and English. Next question. Who has been named as full-time member of Niti Aayog? full-time member of Niti Aayog? Answer is option B, Aravind Veeramani. About Niti Aayog, current vice chairman is Suman Berry. Formed year 2015, January 1st. CEO Parameshwaran Iyer. Headquarters New Delhi. Chairperson Narendra Modi. Founded year 2015. CEO Parameshwaran Iyer. Headquarter New Delhi. Chairperson Narendra Modi. Next question. Who has been named as chairman of BPCL? Chairman of BPCL. Answer is option B, V.R. Krishna Gupta. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Headquarters Mumbai. Founded year 1952. Chairman and MD Vesta Ramakrishna Gupta. Vesta Ramakrishna Gupta. Products petroleum, natural gas, lubricants and petrochemicals. Founded year 1952. Headquarters Mumbai. Next question. Who has been named as Executive Chairman of Samsung Electronic? Answer is option A, Jai Y. Lee. Samsung founded year 13 January 1969. Samsung founder Lee Byung-chul. Samsung headquarters Suwonsea, South Korea. Suwonsea. Next question. Who became the first Indian to be appointed independent expert on racism? Answer is option B, Ashwini KP. United Nations Human Rights Council. Founded year 15 March 2006. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Current President Federico Villegas. Next question. Who has been named as President of FICCI? Answer is option B, Subrakant Fanda. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FICCI founded year 1927. Headquarters New Delhi. President Subrakant Fanda. Director General or DG Arun Chawla. Director General. Next question. Who has been named as Principal Scientist of ISRO Aditya L1 mission? Answer is option A, Dr. Shankara Subramaniam K. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Current Chairman S. Somanath. Foundation date 15th August 1969. Very important date. 15th August 1969. ISRO founder Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Who has been appointed as new chairman of UB? Answer is option D, Atanu Chakrabarti. UB founder and CEO Gaurav Kumar and founded year 2020. Headquarters located on Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Founder and CEO Gaurav Kumar. Founded year 2020 and headquarters Chennai. Next question. Who has been named as India's ambassador to Slovak Republic? Answer is option D, Apurva Srivastava. Slovak Republic. Capital Bratislava. Currency Euro. President Zuzana Kapitova. Currency Euro. President Zuzana Kapitova. Next question. Who has been named as 50th Chief Justice of India? Answer is option D, D.Y. Chandrachud. Uday Umesh Lalit, 49 Chief Justice of India. Sharad Arvind Bobde, 48 Chief Justice of India. Uday Umesh Lalit, 49th. Sharad Arvind Bobde, 48. Next question. Who has been appointed as next Indian ambassador to Bosnia and Herzegovina? Answer is option D, Partha Satpathy. Country Mongolia. Ambassador Dr. T. Suresh Babu. Myanmar Ambassador Vinay Kumar. Russia Ambassador Pawan Kapoor. Serbia Ambassador Sanjeev Kohli. Turkey Ambassador Sanjay Kumar Panda. Who has been named India's next ambassador to Kuwait? Answer is option A, Dr. Adarsh Paika. Country and ambassador. Brazil Suresh Reddy. Bulgaria Sanjay Rana. Colombia Sanjeev Ranjan. Iceland B. Sham. Mali Anjani Kumar. Next question. Who has been elected as President of Iraq? Answer is option A, Abdul Latif Rashid. Iraq capital Baghdad. Iraq currency dinar. Iraq president Abdul Latif Rashid. Iraq prime minister Mohammad Shia al-Sudani. Next question. Who has been named as Director General of Indian Ordnance Factory? Director General means DG. Answer is option B, Sanjeev Kishore. Who has been appointed as new chairman of Mahanagar Gas Limited? Answer is option D, Mahesh V. Iyer. Mahanagar Gas Limited. Founded 1995. Headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Next question. Who has been appointed as SEBI whole-time member? Answer is option B, Narayan Gopalakrishnan, SEBI whole-time member. SEBI full form Securities and Exchange Board of India. Founded year 1992, 12 April. Headquarters Mumbai. Chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch. Next question. Who has been named as its first brand ambassador Dream Set Go? Answer is option B, Saurav Ganguly. Brand ambassador Rishabh Pant, Dish TV India. Julan Goswami, All Women Match Official Team. Rishabh Pant, Uttarakhand Brand Ambassador. Saurav Ganguly, Century LED. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Garuda Aerospace. Shubman Gill and Ritu Raj Gaikwad, My 11 Circle. Next question. Who has been named Men's Footballer of the Year? Answer is option B, Sunil Chetri. AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year 2021 to 2022, Sunil Chetri. AIFF Women's Footballer of the Year 2021 to 2022, Manisha Kalyan. AIFF Men's Emerging Footballer of the Year 2021 to 2022, Vikram Pratap Singh. AIFF Women's Emerging Footballer of the Year 2021 to 2022, Martina Tokchom. Next question. Who has been named Women's Footballer of the Year? Answer is option B, Manisha Kalyan. The All India Football Federation, AIFF means All India Football Federation. Founded year 1937, 23 June. Headquarters Dwaraka, Delhi. President Kalyan Chaubey. Vice President N.A. Harris. Next question. Who has become the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? It means CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Answer is option C, Nallathambi Kalaiselvi. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Founded year 1942, 26 September. President, Prime Minister of India, Director General or DG, Dr. Nallathambi Kalaiselvi. Next question. Who has been elected as the 14th Vice President of India? Answer is option B, Jagdeep Dhankar. Vice President of India, 10th, Krishnan Kant, 11th, Bairan Singh Shekhawat, 12th, M. Hamid Ansari, 13. Venkaiah Naidu, 14. Shri J. Dhankar or Jagadish Dhankar. President of India, 10th, K. R. Narayan, 11th, APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, also known as Missile Man of India. 12. Pratibha Patil, 13. Pranab Mukherjee, 14. Ramnath Kovind, 15. Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu, she is the second female president of India. First female president, Pratibha Patil. First female president and second female president. Who has been named as new chairman and MD of Oil India? Answer is option A, Ranjit Rath. Oil India Limited. Headquarters Duliajan, Assam. Founded year 1959, 18 February. Chairman and MD Dr. Ranjit Rath. Next question. Who has been named as chairman of Vodafone Idea? Answer is option C, Ravinder Thakur. Vodafone Idea Limited founder Kumar Mangalam Birla. Vodafone Idea Limited founded year 2018, 31st August. Vodafone Idea Limited headquarters Gandhinagar. Next question. Who has been named as new High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh? Very, very important question. New High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Answer is option A, Pranay Kumar Verma. Minister of External Affairs, formed year 1946, 2nd September. Minister of External Affairs, Subramaniam Jaishankar. Headquarters New Delhi, Delhi, India. Formed year 1946, 2nd September. Next question. Who has been appointed as Prime Minister of Malaysia? Answer is option A, Anwar Ibrahim. Capital Kuala Lumpur. Currency Malaysian Ringgit. Next question. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Byju's? Answer is option B, Lionel Messi. Kuldeep Yadav, Real One brand ambassador. Manika Batra, Adidas brand ambassador. Janvi Kapoor, Nykaa fashion ambassador. Saurav Ganguly, Bandhan Bank ambassador. Rishabh Pant, Uttarakhand Ambassador. Next question. Who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE? Answer is option D. Sundararaman Ramamurthy. Headquarters Mumbai, India. Founded year 9 July 1875. It is located on Dalal Street in Mumbai. It is the oldest stock exchange in Asia, the 10th oldest in the world. Who has been appointed as Lieutenant Governor in the state of Maryland? Answer is option A. Aruna Miller. Next question. Who has been appointed as Election Commissioner of India? Answer is option A. Gaurav Dwivedi. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar. Next question. Who has been appointed as CEO of Prasar Bharati? Answer is option A. Gaurav Dwivedi. Formed year 23 November 1997. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.